Hey guys, it's PK here. In this video, we're going to cover why education is the most important thing when it comes to property investment. But first, there are kangaroos behind me. Can you see that? I'm not sure if you can. At some point behind, there is a kangaroo. I don't know if you can see that. Come on, you can see that. This is not making me look good, but you can see, there it is, there it is. I just thought I'd grab that. There you go, it's a kangaroo, wow. What an intro, it's finding its family just there. Okay, so that's my background. I'm here in Noosa on the farm. Here are some passion fruits in our little seat for kids, bonfire with marshmallows, little cottage, and it is amazing here. But this video I'm going to be talking about why education is the most important thing when it comes to property investment. And here's the thing, and I'm not going to beat around the bush. I sell an education course, so everything you hear is dipped with a lot of bias and a lot of self-interest. So try to see through that. But here's the thing, every single day I see investors, whether they're new investors or whether they're established investors, buying properties and hoping that they will achieve their goals of passive income, of capital growth, of positive cash flow, of subdivision potential, of leaving the 9-to-5, all that jazz, everything that you've heard before. But I see it every single day. You know, if you're in this position, you might have come across a couple of property data reports, you might have come across RP data, Call Logic, you might have read a few blogs, heard a few podcasts, following a few people on Facebook, a few gurus, and what you're doing is you're trying to take all that knowledge and try to synthesize the commonalities, the key themes, what everyone is saying, and then you're going in, you're jumping in, and you're saying, okay, well, I don't know if this is going to work exactly, but it's pretty close. Everyone's saying the same thing. How can I go wrong? But here's the thing. The truth is, and sorry about the wind, I am on a farm. The truth is that the vast majority of property investors get it wrong. Okay, so the vast majority of property investors, including the experts, they get it wrong. The vast majority, more than 80% of property investors don't get past the first property. So what does that mean? It means that if you are relying on podcasts, if you're relying on books, if you're relying on Facebook groups, if you're relying on blogs, if you're relying on media to tell you where to buy, when to buy, what property is going to go up, what suburb is going to go up, how to develop a passive income, then just by logic alone, it means that you are going to fail, because everyone's doing that. Everyone is already doing what you're doing, and everyone almost is failing. Okay, so let that sink, just take that in. If you are doing what everyone is doing, and most people are failing, then there is an incredibly high chance that you too will fail. Now, this isn't meant to be like a scaremongering thing or anything like that. Once again, I've warned you that I have something to sell you. But these are just the facts.